Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're returning for yet another exciting tutorial, thank you for staying with me and for subscribing. In today's video I will be reviewing this. It's a Plouise base winter edition. I just got this. I know these are just like bases, but I want to see if I can use them instead of using an eyeshadow. So my eyeshadow today will be this. Look at that. I love the packaging. They really took their time in, no, that doesn't go that way. They really took their time in packaging, and it's got some lovely message this side from Plouise. So to start with, I will be shaping my eyebrows using a brown eyebrow pencil. Start all the way from there, and if you're shaping your eyebrows at this point, if you make a mistake, please don't worry about it. You will correct that using a concealer. To shape my eyebrows, I will be using LA Girl Pro Concealer, and in the shade Chestnut. That one. My camera is not very good, but yeah, I use the shade because of my skin color. So if you're on a lighter part, like if you're fair in complexion, use fawn, but I do use fawn sometimes as well. I'm carefully shaping that. When I'm happy with that, I just take a very fluffy brush and clean that. With my eyebrows shaped, I am now taking the pink base. It's called Winter Rose. Plouise. Guys, I've never tried this before. This is my first time, but I want to see how it's going to look. So like I said, I am replacing these bases. So I'm using the bases instead of the eyeshadow. I just want to see how this is going to come out. So taking the Winter Rose color, it's a very bright pink. I will then apply this on my crease. I need to be very gentle with this. So I will start there. These are pens, so, and my first time trying this. There we go. I think I need to take a smaller brush from this one so that I don't mess up my eyebrows. There we go. Dab in some more. Just gonna pack it there first. Using the tapping motion, packing the paint on my crease. I think because it's a paint, it's kind of very easy to tap it than to swipe, to brush it. So I'm tapping. I'm just gonna tap it all in. I will then take the Vivid Violet and pack it onto there to kind of create a crease. I'm just trying this out. I hope it comes out good. It all looks funny now, but I am going ahead because I need to know how this is gonna come out. So I'm now going in with a hint of mint. It's not blue as it shows on the camera. It's kind of a green, crazy green. That color, baby green, something like that. So putting that there, I'm gonna dab it with my flat brush, and this I'm going to use it down here. I think I need a smaller brush. That's green. I am packing now. My camera is a bit bad. It's not showing as it should show, but let's try and get closer. I've had to reduce the lighting so you could kind of see where the colors are going. I will then end this cut crease with a blue base. It's a touch of frost. There we go. So using my flat brush, I'll pack that there. Sorry guys, the colors look so kind of just look so bright and they're not showing, but we are still going ahead, and I just want to see how this is going to come out. Yep. To kind of tone down the colors and to bring definition to whatever I'm trying to do with my eyelids, I'm going to use this base by Plouise as well. Trying to look for the color. It's called Ecstasy Acid Rain. It is a very deep purple, So I will be using this as my liner. I will try and clean up the edges using my foundation. For the foundation, I use Morphe. Using Collection Glam Crystals. It's a gel liner. I will kind of just do that. Don't make a mistake. For the waterline, I will be using Acid Rain, Plouise, sorry, the Acid Rain collection, and it is a very hot pink. It's called Glow Girl. That's what I will be using for my waterline. I'm now just thinking about what color of lipstick I should use. So guys, this is what I was using now is a base, a cosmetic base by Plouise. I'm kind of happy with how it came out, but just that my camera is not really good. It doesn't really show the details. I'll try and come closer so if you can see. Sorry guys, I did my lips off camera, and I just went in with something peach pink. So yeah, I've kind of utilized all of those colors for my eyes. I love how they came out. I think I'm gonna be using them for as my base. I just had to use this alone just to see how they come out. I'm happy with that. I like the colors. The colors are true. The colors do come out just as they look in the pack, which is really good. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and it's bye for now. See you next time.